The World Health Assembly, (WHA), will bring together global health leaders to set priorities and coordinate action. But what does successful global cooperation actually look like? As the world prepares for the World Health Assembly, (WHA), we revisit one of the most successful public health efforts in history, the eradication of smallpox. For over 3,000 years, smallpox devastated humanity. It killed about 3 out of every 10 individuals infected. An estimated 500 million lives were lost, including 300 million in the 20th century alone. Survivors were often left with deep scars, and up to 9% suffered blindness. Before vaccines, there was variolation, a method of exposing healthy individuals to smallpox material. It reduced mortality, but came with serious risks. The virus could still spread, sometimes triggering new outbreaks. In 1796, Edward Jenner changed the course of history. Using cowpox, he developed the first successful vaccine. For the first time, prevention became possible. However, global eradication remained far off. In 1959, the World Health Organization, (WHO), proposed eradication, but progress was slow due to limited resources. In 1967, an intensified program began, combining mass vaccination, improved surveillance, and global cooperation. Through resolutions and global coordination led by the World Health Assembly, (WHA), countries aligned their efforts toward a single goal: eradication. The turning point was strategy. Health workers did not just vaccinate widely, they tracked every case, isolated patients, and vaccinated close contacts. This ring vaccination approach created protective barriers and stopped transmission efficiently. The last naturally occurring case was recorded in 1977 in a hospital worker in Merka, Somalia, marking the end of natural transmission. The final fatal case occurred in 1978 in England. After centuries, the chain of transmission had been broken. On May 8, 1980, the 33rd World Health Assembly, (WHA), declared the world free of smallpox, following the certification of eradication just months earlier. Smallpox was officially declared eradicated, the first and only human infectious disease to achieve this distinction. Smallpox had no cure. It was defeated through prevention, science, and global unity. The World Health Organization, (WHO), has not pursued another disease eradication effort at this scale since, but the lessons from smallpox remain clear. Effective surveillance, targeted intervention, and global coordination can transform public health outcomes. As the 79th World Health Assembly, (WHA), approaches, this achievement serves as both a milestone and a call to action. The next global health success depends on the choices we make today. Follow 72 Dragons Health to stay informed.